Alright everybody, we got a couple things going on for a little Christmas special. One, I got a new camera, Merry Christmas me, so I'm going to be testing that out. And two, everybody loves the doggies, so, we're going to take some doggy photos. So, we're going to move into that. And here we go with the doggies. And here's our first one. Hello, Shuki Sue. Look at that face. See, I just got groomed yesterday, and I'm wearing my little festive jam jams. Oh, and here's Minnie Moo. Oh, she's desperate to be on camera. Hello, hello. She's got her little matching jam jams on.
Are you pretty girl? Are you my pretty
And
girl?
here's number 3. Last but not least, the Mimis.
Sweet Mimi.
See, look at that little face.
I got a bad face because I sleep so hard on my face.
She does. She sleeps so hard. She gets so into it.
See, sleeping is my sport.
Oh. Can't go for the lovies.
I'm really good at sleeping.
And here's our number 3 with the jam jams on. It's a matching red team. Because Korea, fighting! Yeah. So we dressed the dogs up in their little outfits there, their little cold weather coats to go with their pajamas, because we had to take them out and de-poop them. Because dogs have to do that. But nobody really wants to see that, so we're just gonna pick back up when we bring them back in. Alright, girls. Let's clean the paws.
Who's first?
Who's first? Come on. Oh, Minnie Moose. Alright.
I'll take care of it.
Alright, clean the feet. Get the curry off your paws. Alright.
Good Mimus. You want to go next, Mimi? Oh, she's a nice woman.
Alright.
There you
Mimis.
go, Mimi. Good girl.
Good girl.
Job. Good potties outside, too.
Oh yeah, her paws are still very dry. Paw treatments.
For everybody. But mostly Mimi.
And maybe teeth brushings, because everybody needs their broccoli to go with their...
The broccoli?
Yeah, everybody's got to have their veggies to go with their pudding.
Everybody's like, I don't really consider the soothing paws all that soothing.
Alright, Mimis. Come on. Come on.
Remember, her back's not
There we go.
bothering her a little bit right now.
All right, my sooks, are you ready? It's time to clean your paws. You gotta go clean your feet, okay? Ready to clean your feet?
GoPro, it grabs everything.
Come on, go clean your feet. You got it. Come on, go to chop.
Alright, Sooks, come here. Come here, Sooks.
Good
Alright.
sucky dog.
You do feet.
Gotta get them feet all clean.
You know, I've noticed too that this does really help cut down on the whole amount of itching that has made retards over there. It cuts down the amount of itching that she does from the elements, at least.
Alright.
So I feel like that at least cleaning her paws is at least helping with the allergies thing. Although,
Geez, I'm just rubbing my scent all over the entire carpet over here because
Okay,
it's
Sooks.
important.
do you need to go and join her, Sooks?
Sookie dog, I'm so proud of you for playing earlier. If only I could have got it on camera, I would have, so everyone could see that you were a real
Alright.
dog.
And next, the feedins. And Melissa has an audience while she fixes the doggy foods. Because they love their foods. And they love their little doggy medications. Because the allergy dogs need the allergy pills. And old lady dog needs her arthritis medicine. The dog gets arthritis medicine. How messed up is that?
I got arthritis. It's really messed up.
But she is really a grumpy old pain in the keister if she doesn't get her pain meds.
Are you ready? Are you ready? I know. Let's do this. Yes, I know. You're so loud.
So-
And you were so patient.
One of the things we do with our dogs to keep the dog food out of their hair so we don't have to bathe them and clean them up as often is put their hair up so that they don't drag in the food while they eat. All right, girls. Sookie Soos.
Sookie dog.
And it's
Dinner
time for the
is
doggies to
served.
eat. Let's see who finishes first. It'll be Mayhem. Sookie Dog's usually not far behind, though. Sometimes she wins.
She usually ends up leaving first, at least.
Oh, Sookie Soos, sweetness. And the Maymays trying her hardest. And then the Mini Moos being all polite and stuff.
She like chews her bites.
Chewing her foods and being all good.
Maybe I'm not even sure realized there was food in there. Like it's gone.
That plate will be shiny when we get it back.
That plate is so good I wouldn't have to wash it. But I do.
And Mayhem is down to the bowl. She's done. Ding, ding,
She got
ding.
clean the mat.
We have the
The
winner.
bowl is clean.
Well, Sookie Dog's pulling into the final stretch there. She's cleaning the dregs off the bottom of her bowl.
Oh, she's like, nope, there's a stray piece. I gotta get it back. Now, you need to follow the Sookie Dog for the after dinnerness. It's quite special. 'Cause, you know, I just gave her arthritis meds, so she's feeling all, it's starting to hit her. She's feeling good. It's time for her to do the Sookie Dogness. Good job, Sookie Dog. All done. All right. Where's the Sookie going? Minnie's done. She's just licking her bowl.
Let's see if we can't capture the special after dinner routine. Oh, it's her Snoopy dance.
Is she doing it?
Yeah, she's working into. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Trying to distract Minnie.
yeah, she's sitting the carpet. And
Oh, you were full on.
oh, there's the kicks. Oh,
Whereas May does hers before dinner, Sook gets the after dinner one in.
Sookie Dog loves getting her medicine.
Go ahead, Minnie.
All right, so Miss Mayhem has some dry, cracked paws, and she needs a little bit of treatment after she gets done giving Melissa the lovies.
Ready to do your spa treatment? You ready? No. All right, you ready? All right.
Okay.
Right here.
All right. Gotta get the bellies. Gotta get the bellies.
She's gonna flail.
Hey, yo's.
It's
Gotta
okay.
get-
It's okay. It's okay. Now, Mama, come down.
Look, you're on camera. You're being all pretty.
It's okay, Nene. See, Mama got your paw stuff. Your paw stuff. Oh, gonna get our paws all soothed. Okay. So see, paws very dry. So now we're gonna soothe it.
Yes, we're gonna put a little treatment on you.
No, Mama. You're doing really good, May May.
Gotta put a little product on your feet.
You know what, May May? Mommy gets rough paws too, so it's all good. It feels a little rougher than normal. Maybe that's why you aren't feeling good walking. And Papa's hurt. Aw, are you giving Chuck lovey looks? See, Chuck, I don't really like this very much, but I know it's going to make my paws feel better, but staring into your eyes makes me feel so loved. I know, I don't know why Minnie Moo and Sookie don't need this as badly as you do. Apparently I haven't opened this one yet.
So I'm just accepting my fate, letting my belly get rubbed. Let these crazy humans put some stuff on my feet that I'm probably gonna lick off later.
There's paw protections on too.
Oh, paw protections?
Yes, this is paw protection.
You're gonna protect your paws.
I gonna protect your paws. I gotta protect the putty putties. Oh, let me protect the putty putties.
You gotta give us the feet. You gotta let us make the feet pretties.
Oh,
Oh,
hey. I know you don't like being on your back unless mommy's giving you lovies, but I'll give you lovies in a minute. Oh, this one's not that bad.
Oh. That one's better. Oh.
It's just that one that's kind of rough right now. There we go. Kiss a foot. Kiss a foot.
Is your paws all protected now?
I kiss that belly. Does that make it better if I kiss your bellies? I know. I know it's been a rough little foot day for you. Your paws not feeling very good. Oh, come here. Come here. It's okay. Oh, mommy lovies.
And now Cuddle Doggy will cuddle. Yes, yeah, you're the memes. Yes.
I know.
So it is the Christmas morning, and it's cold outside, and we're letting the doggies take their little morning walk and get their little exercise. So I'm gonna back up this way. Whoa, shooky shoes! Oh, mini moose. Where's my memes? Oh, you're gonna go get the memes? Where's the memes? Normally they all run in like a little pack. You'd ask them where something is and they'll all go running together. But of course they're on camera, so they don't want to cooperate. Little divas. You heard me. You are a little diva. You are a little diva. So are you. Oh, there's the memes. Oh, there's the memes. I was too close. Oh, there's my two. There's my two. Where's Melissa? And there's the memes. Yay! Morning playing.
I hear you. I'm busy. Maybe Minnie will get you. Is it UFC on Christmas morning?
And the doggies are having their Christmas breakfast. And we are warming up our Cafe Bene bagels. Because Cafe Bene.
I brewed coffee. I cooked.
And we're brewing coffee. That's our Christmas breakfast, bagels and coffee. And then we have to call my family because it's Christmas.
I have to call mine too, but...
Yes, because you have to call families or they get rather irritable for some reason if you don't call them every once in a while. I haven't figured that out, but...
Because families love to hear from their peoples.
That's right. I have Melissa to keep me on a schedule for calling people. Otherwise, I'd forget.
Families love to hear from their peoples. You should know this.
Nobody ever wants to hear from me. What are you talking about?
Well, we all love to hear from you. You just don't ever really call.
Well, good things, small doses, all that.
Okay. So now typically when Cafe Bene makes this, all of that cream cheese that's on all four of these bagels
Would be on one.
will be on one. But let me just tell you that, I took a bite out of it. Sue me. That chocolate cream cheese is life. Is it life, Chuck?
It's good. Yeah, when Cafe Bene does it, they make a bagel out of it, and they're like an inch of cream cheese in between the two halves of the bagel.
It's delicious.
A little bit too much cream cheese. I like to reproportion it.
I'll eat it with the whole thing of cream cheese on it because it's so good.
All right, it's time for Doggy Christmas.
All right. Who got red and who got white? Sookie got red?
Well, let's ask. Sookie Dog. Oh, watch that. Here we go.
Hold on.
You're messing with my stuff, dear dog. Sookie Dog. Red, white. Sookie Dog.
You both.
Red, white. Killing me, dog. You're killing me, Smalls. You're not helping.
May smells her toy.
All right, Chucky dog. Chucky dog.
Red, white. Red? Red it is. White. May. Cookie dog? You want this one? Cookie dog's like, I am not overly thrilled with any choices.
Chucky dog. Chucky dog. Oh. Chucky dog's drugs have kicked in. And she's
not really there. Oh, Minnie Moo has found her squeaker though. You see? Yeah, May says, I got my Weber toy. I love my leather. Moo, what you got? What you got? Did you kill the squeaker yet? Oh, you do like it, Sooks. So, Mom said that gifts were going to be late, but she did throw these little ones into a package that she sent us recently, so I'm going to open. And the girls are very excited about this.
like, oh, there's wrapping papers.
Except for Mayhem, who's like, I've got my leather, I'm good. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. Girls, did you talk to Grandma and tell her to go shopping? Look.
Minnie Mouse.
Chuck,
That's
look.
not. It's a little thing with a dog paw.
It's so cute.
Minnie Moo.
I
That's
love
not your
it.
toy. That's not your toy.
I love it. Minnie Moo, get your white toy. Oh, you want now you're interested? You can't have this. This one's mine.
Maybe he just shoulder checked her. Like, no, the leather one's mine.
Mimi loves her leather. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Oh, that looks like a little Shih Tzu. That's so cute. I love it. Look, it's a little shit. It's a little minis. These little minis. Like, I don't know, but it smells, Mommy. Thank you, Mom. I love them. And we will video when Chuck's present comes in too. We will take care of that. I know it was late arriving to you, so thank you.
I'm gonna take your leather.
Hey, Chuck. So it's Christmas. So I checked. You didn't have any holes in your underwear and socks, so you're good. So you didn't get Christmas present this year. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, okay.
What'd you get?
Stop it.
What did you give me? Same thing you get every year?
My cherub-like demeanor.
Oh, that's my favorite gift. I love that gift.
Because it does not promote the monetization of family holiday. Would you quit looking me in the face? Would you quit looking me in the face?
Minnie's like, excuse me, can I have that other toy now? Sookie dog. Sookie dog, what'd you get Chuck for Christmas?
Would you quit trying to
Oh, she's leaving you now that I ask her.
Would you quit trying to steal her toy? Maymay loves her toy.
Maymay always loves her toy.
Oh, leather shoes. I'm gonna steal it from you.
Mommy needs to order you some more of those because that's your last like really good one, boo.
Oh, I'm gonna steal it from you. Oh no. Oh.
She's like, you will not steal my leather toy. This is my chew. You will not steal it because it is mine. Mommy bought them for me. Minion's like, I really want that other toy you won't let me have now, Chuck. And I'm going to go around to get it.
You're desperately trying to steal her toy, aren't you? Chucky dog. You're licking me.
Where'd it go?
Oh, I did. It fell down.
Oh, that's cheating. She almost had that too. That was cheating. You cheated, Chuck. You cheated. Minnie Moo, where is it? Minnie Moo, find it. Find it, Minnie Moo. Minnie Moo, did you just like run past it?
She did.
Minion. It's behind you. Actually, it's like on top of Sookie. Ah! Victory!
is a Minnie Moose. Did you get victory, Minnie Moo? Suki Dog, do you even care? Do you even care?
No, she's trying to bathe my head.
Well, maybe you took a shower.
Shush.
Suki Dog, did we discuss this? Our bathing practices are good. We don't need help.
Settle. Down.
All right, so we has done the Christmas morning. The doggies has their toys. So does Melissa. The doggies has had their breakfast. We've had our breakfast and our coffees. So we'll end our day for here. Y'all have a Merry Christmas or a Happy Holiday.
Happy holidays.
Have fun. Do the like, subscribe thing. Enjoy your weekend.